Alrighty, so in this video, we are going to use the theorems that we learned last week, triangle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem, to write and solve equations for x. So based off the diagram, we need to decide if we should be using triangle sum or exterior angle. Since we only know the interior angles of the triangle, that means we want to use triangle sum, which tells us that the three angles add to equal 180. So all I'm going to do is add each of the three expressions together. So I'm going to do 7x plus 8 plus 5x plus 2 plus 7x minus 1 equals 180 degrees. From there, I'm going to first combine my like terms. So I've got 7x plus 5x, which is 12x, plus another 7x makes 19x. And then I have 8 and 2, which makes 10. Negative 1 makes 9. So I have 19x plus 9 is equal to 180. So first I need to get rid of the plus 9 by doing minus 9 on both sides. That leaves me with 19x equals 171. And if I divide both sides by 19, I get that x is equal to 9. So the missing value of x is 9. In the next diagram, I also want to use triangle sum theorem because I only know the interior angles. And it's really important that when you are given the box that represents a right angle, that you don't forget that it's 90 degrees. You don't want to forget that in your equation, or else your answer is going to be thrown off. So for our equation, we're going to do 2x plus 1 plus 5x plus 5 plus 90 and set it all equal to 180 degrees. So we're going to combine our like terms. 2x and 5x make 7x. 1 plus 5 plus 9, 90 makes 96. And then I'm going to subtract 96 from both sides. And I get 7x equals 84. And if I divide by 7, I get that x is 12. So down here at the bottom, they want to know how big each of the angles are. I'll start with B because I already know that it's 90. And then I'll move on to A. So for angle A, we know that it's 2x plus 1. So if x is 12, we need to do 2 times 12 plus 1, which is 25. So angle A is 25 degrees. Then to find angle C, I'm going to replace x with 12 again and do 5 times 12, which is 60, plus 5 is 65 degrees. And I'm also happy because if I check this out, all three angles should add to 180 degrees. 25 plus 90 plus 65 is 180 degrees. So that kind of tells me that I did this correctly. So that's how to use triangle sum theorem to find the missing value of x. In our next video, we're going to look to see how to use exterior angle theorem.